Are you tired of overpriced college degrees and expensive coding boot camps? I'd like to invite you to our 100% free coding workshop. Our workshops are designed to provide you with an A to Z roadmap for how you can break into lucrative new careers in the tech sector. Our workshops are live events during which you'll be able to take advantage of unlimited live Q&A, industry expert mentorship, one-on-one support and guidance, and so much more. If you've been dreaming of becoming a web developer, software engineer, or data analyst, this workshop is meant for you. Click on the link right below this video if you're on mobile, and in the top right if you're on your desktop, and reserve your seat. It's completely free of charge. Hi, I'm Brianna with Skillspire. Skillspire is a coding school on a mission to empower people to pursue the work that they love. We've taught hundreds of students in the past years, and some of them are now working in some of the top tech companies around. We'd love to help you discover your new career path in life too, regardless of your current experience level. Click on the link below to reserve your free seat for the workshop. I look forward to seeing you there.